Chaiki, we serve modern Indian soul food inspired by traditional ingredients, cooking techniques, and our own subtle touch, the contemporary touch. We offer two distinct dining experiences: the relaxed toddy shop, which is the drinking den, all-day dining, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and our more formal restaurant where we do lunch and dinner. We are subtly spiced, but we are full on flavors and traditional techniques of making Indian food. In terms of our formal restaurants, our butter chicken and coconut prawns are really up there. During the weekdays we do breakfast, lunch and dinner, and on the weekends we do brunch and dinner. So it's up to the customer. Whenever they are around, we have something to offer.
Mama's Jerk is a legacy to my great-grandmother, Mama Charlotte. Secret recipe passed down generations. Caribbean food has been here for a long time. You've got a lot of West Indian takeaways. You've got a lot of fantastic restaurants popping up now doing wonderful traditional food. And what we've tried to do is incorporate some of those traditional flavours, but just do it in a sort of like a modern way for like a grab and go. That's why we do wraps, burgers, salads, simple rice dishes, but still using like natural, traditional flavouring of our jerk seasoning and jerk spices.
Athenian started about 4.5 years ago with a tiny stall in North London. We're quite proud of our humble start. Souvlaki comes with it starts with our freshly grilled handmade pita, freshly grilled chicken and halloumi, our signature Athenian sauce, freshly cut salad, and our oregano fries on top. Anytime, any day, weekend or weekdays, we're here 7 days a week.
The fresh smoked barbecue briskets that we smoked that in 18 hours. Such a great taste, such a nice rubbing. The special days what we got is the Tuesday, which we got the Tuesday boiled, and the Thursday fresh lobster and steak, which we call surf and turf.